Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will talk about how you can create a Stripe account. Now, first thing you have to do is you have to search Stripe on Google or any of your search engine. Now, when you search that, you see the first website, you click on that. After it loads, you have to click on sign in. Now, obviously you're not already made an account and you're not signed in, so you have to go down and you have to see create account. Now, if after it loads in, you will put your email, full name, password. If you already have a Google account which you've signed in with your browser, you can just click on this and you can click on this. Now, when you click on that, you will be able to continue and your account will be created. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the video.